So done meeting Mohammed at near Pune, and thank you Mohammed so much for taking out the time, taking a leave, coming to meet me, and also showing your AX100, which is in absolute mint condition. So thank you so much. So now we are heading towards Lonavala. That is the stay that we've booked, and also all my other friends, Jobo and his team, are gonna be there. So I had a nice lemongrass tea at this place. I don't know what is the name exactly, but I had a very good lemongrass tea there, which was most needed. And now hopefully the fog should have reduced. I hope so. If not, I'll have to continue on the similar condition. So we have about another hour of ride to reach the venue at Lonavala. So I won't be able to take the express highway because the motorcycles are not allowed in express highway. So it's showing a route which is slightly different. So we'll start our ride from here. Not too much of a battery left on my GoPro, so I have to record on my mobile phone now. And I may not show you too much of a traveling, only maybe once I reach there I'll take some footages. So finally I've reached the destination. Looks like this is my stay, and what a companion this has been. This has been truly reclaiming myself ride. And let me check into the hotel and come back to you guys. And there's not much of a memory left on the memory card, so it's gonna switch off anytime. So I'll quickly go get myself fresh, check in, and then maybe come back. And check this out. This is a kick-ass stay. So we've got a private pool, and the entire bungalow has been booked for us. Let's get in. So this is the living area. So let's take you a tour about this place. This is the hall, bathroom. And then you have one room here which is occupied, and again then you have another room, I believe. That's this. Nice. And maybe one more room. So yeah, this is the bungalow that has been booked. So that's all for now, guys. I'll see you in a bit.
Good evening, everyone. Reached Lonavala. So it was a nice 850 kilometers ride completed in 2 days. And thank you everyone for your wishes and your support and love. This ride, Reclaiming Myself, has been very good for me so far, emotionally and physically as well.
Good morning. So it's 10 in the morning. Going to explore Lonavala city. We'll have a breakfast at Udupi Hotel and then explore Lonavala, because IBW is going to start only by 2 in the afternoon. So till then, let me show you guys around the city. So let's go now. Welcome to Lonavala. Heading out to a breakfast joint. I've seen a breakfast joint last evening which is called Udupi Hotel or something. So just going there for a nice hearty South Indian style breakfast, and after which we'll go meet some of my friends who have come from Bangalore. So we'll be meeting people from Moto Torque. So Shashi is here from Moto Torque. So we'll go say hi to him. We have a lot of chicky shops here. Every other shop sells chicky here. So last night I went to this place Ramakrishna for dinner. Good place, good joint. So now let's get on to Udupi Hotel. So I'll see you guys in a bit. There we have Udupi Hotel. Let's go there. Udupi Hotel. Breakfast time at Lonavala, and this is called the Udupi Hotel. So eating the humble idli and sambar. After this we will go explore the city and see what's there in the city to see before we head to IBW. So now it's time to check out misal pav, which is the local special. So let's try that and tell you how's this gonna taste. So just trying all the local food if possible. There has been a slight change of plan. Will not be exploring the city today. Now we'll be going to Ambi Valley directly for IBW because of short of time. I'll tell you what happened in fact. So basically all my memory cards got completely full, so had to transfer all the content into one my hard disk. So met my friend Kiran from Moto Torque. He helped me transfer all the content, so that took a while. In fact we started that procedure I think about 10:30ish, and it's now 12:30. I had lot many stuff to transfer. So there was one 64 GB card, one 32 GB card, another 32 GB card, and one more 16 GB card. So all of this content had to be transferred, and it was on 2.0 USB, so it took a longer time. And I'm sure Lonavala would have never seen a traffic jam like this earlier, because the entire city is completely packed. I mean, so many people at one time, they would have never seen it. So the city is completely going bonkers, and all you can see in the city is chicky shop. I mean, literally, I'm not joking, literally every other shop what you see is they sell chickies. You have Manganlal chickies, or Maganlal, sorry, you have Maganlal chikki, Lonavala chikki factory. I mean, so many chikki stops. So let's show you guys the city here. Check this out, Lonavala chikki, your Maganlal chikki and fudge, super chikki. I mean, everything is chikki here. And yes, you must try the chikki here. I have had some amazing chikki, and I think they have their special dry fruit chikki. I'll also go do some shopping, and I'll show you guys the different kinds of chikki available here. The city is completely packed. Look at the kind of traffic jam. Look at the vehicles at the stretch. Look at this. It is completely packed for kilometers together. And there's this one guy who just does not understand how to follow lane discipline. Look at this pile of vehicles. The city is completely jam packed. Finally get some free road and off to IBW. So it says about 40 minutes to reach IBW, so about 24 kilometers. It's going to be curvy roads because it's in Khandala, and we'll have to go near the airstrip at IBW. So there are two exciting events for the day. One is the drag race, the car drag race that is there, and then of course IBW, the India Bike Week. So two main events happening. Not too sure how's the arrangement in between the drag race and IBW. I need to go there and check that out, because these, according to me, are happening in two different venues. Wow. So this dam looks empty now. I thought there could be some water, the fact that so many cars were parked, but then there's nothing here. But the scenic beauty right in front of me is stunning. So we'll just stop here for a photo. So it's time to climb the ghat all the way up till Khandala. So getting all the way up till the Khandala thing, the weather is extremely good. So evening it's going to be chilly. So I have carried my I have carried my hood so that, you know, I don't get cold. It's definitely going to be very, very cold. And the hill station is packed. I am not sure is it because of IBW or usually this place is packed like this, not too sure. But then this is super packed. Like, there is a good amount of tourism happening, and all the hotels are going full, and you see everywhere, you can see the cars are parked out. Good number of bikes can be seen here and there. All big bikes are here. It's super cold as and when we get closer and closer to Khandala. It's just getting super chilly. I'm only wondering why the hell I didn't wear my riding jacket. I thought it's just a small ride, close ride, and no need of wearing the riding jacket. But then now I realize I should have. But however, I've got my hood, so I've carried a hoodie. So we'll wear that. It's super chilly. I mean, you're so used to Goa kind of an IBW where it is super hot, and minimalistic is the code for the hour. In this case, you have to be fully dressed up. I mean, you can't come with the minimal clothing because it's so hot, because it's so cold here. And my god, the kind of cars have come for drag is unreal. I mean, when you stop, park for a while, the kind of roar that you can hear, because every car is just going by zoop, zoop, zoop. So we just heard a R8 sounding absolutely crazy. And then there was a Ferrari which went, a Porsche which went. Each of these were making some unreal sweet music. This feels as if I'm riding through Alice in the Wonderland. Fully covered with shades on both the end, like a canopy. And the weather is so nice. Look at that. Look at that complete canopy. So not too far away from Hampi Valley, just about another couple of kilometers, and we'll be at Hampi Valley. It started raining as well. A slight drizzle, not like a rain. All of them are supercharged. You can see the way the guys are riding motorcycles, and you know, the cars, the way they're coming in and all of it. So everybody is super thrilled and pumped to come and visit the IBW. Same here, high energy. And the whole idea of reclaiming myself, I mean, that is how this is going to be fulfilled, by visiting IBW. Check out what it says: welcome to the Valley Run and IBW. So let's get into the venue now. So reached Ambi Valley and heading off to the venue. Good bikes, good cars. Arid.
Oh yeah, that's the one.
Yeah.
Roaring.
Yeah, that was the one which was roaring loud. Officially entered into Ambi Valley. And yes, IBW is here. Let's get in. So I think that's Ambi Valley City. Wow. Heavily guarded. I mean, you can't even come close to it. It's so well guarded. Let's figure out which way in. So welcome to home. Bikers, yes, definitely home.